Sripad Madhavendra Puri was sitting near the Govinda Kund and was constantly chanting the holy name. It is said that he was chanting indefinitely, continuously, whole day and night, and without bothering about the food or shelter or any of the worldly things. The reason was because he had adopted one vritti called as Ayachaka vritti. Yachana means to beg. Ayachaka means he decided that I won't beg my food also. If Krishna sends me food, I will eat. If Krishna doesn't send me anything, I will fast. That was his vow. That's a very serious vow it is. So he was sitting near the Govinda Kund and continuously chanting. And then later on, Krishna came as a small covered boy and delivered him a pot of milk. Because Krishna told him that in Vrindavan nobody goes hungry. But if somebody is not begging alms, then I give them a special attention. I personally come and deliver them. Yogakshama Mahameha. Like that he said. So this teaches us one very important lesson. Many boys may give reasons why, I don't have time for Krishna consciousness because I have to do this, I have to do that. I have so many different things in life. Actually, the different things in life that you are doing, they are always pulling us in different directions in this world. But the more we become Krishna conscious, the more the material energy will be arranged by Krishna in such a way that you will get time for Krishna consciousness. How it happens? Because who is the ultimate controller? Krishna. So when Krishna sees some devotee is sincerely trying to chant and approach him, and he organizes the material energy because Krishna says, Maya Adhyakshena Prakriti. Either he will turn the material nature in such a way that suddenly you will find so many unwanted engagements we were doing, they will all evaporate. And then we will have few important things to do, that's all. Then you will get adequate time for Krishna consciousness. Another lesson we learned from Madhavendra Puri is that although he was chanting continuously the holy name, he was not lazy for service. Because sometimes people say that I am chanting, don't disturb me. But you will see that Lord gave him a Herculean task to do. He came in his dream and said, go to Nilachal, Purushottam, Dham, and get chandan and apply on my body because it is summer season, it is very hot. The Lord said. So when he woke up from his dream, he understood Lord came in the dream and has ordered me to go to Nilachal. So from Vrindavan to Nilachal Purushottam Dham is like 1,000 miles. So you can imagine in those days there was no conveyance. He walked 1,000 miles and got loads of sandalwood. And with a few servants, he was actually walking back. And Lord Krishna was so touched by the gesture of Madhavendra Puri. He felt pity for his pure devotee, that he is taking so much trouble. He walked already so much and he is going to walk back all the distance. Then Krishna came in the dream and said, enough now. You just hand over all the chandan wood to Gopinath temple in Ramuna. Because applying on Gopinath is same as applying on Gopal. As the Lord told him. So which goes to show that sometimes the Lord feels pain to see the devotee taking so much trouble to do service to him. Lord says, enough of this service, now you relax for some time. Lord says. So which means that much hard working he was in entering service. So both Japa, Nam Jap and Seva. He had a very good balance of both. Because when we do Japa, gradually we concentrate the mind and then we purify the mind and we uplift our consciousness, which is very good. And when we do Seva, we get further purification because Seva gives digested realizations when one engages in service. So, because while performing service, there will be impediments, there will be inconveniences, there will be trials and troubles and difficulties, and you will have to deal with multiple living entities on the way. And that is how the purification is faster when we do service. When we don't do service, when we only chant the holy name, then we may oftentimes not encounter such difficult forces, and then the progress is slow. So similarly, Haridas Thakur also, he chanted the holy name, but he was preaching also. Madhavendra Puri is chanting the holy name, but he is doing service also. So, but the beauty is, in the name of service, he didn't get carried away so much that he didn't develop the taste for the holy name. It's not like that. Because he had developed a very high taste for the holy name. That is how he could chant continuously all day, all night. So much so that his chanting of the holy name quality was so high that Krishna personally wanted to come and see the beauty of his devotee who is lovingly chanting the holy name, inoffensively chanting the holy name. Sripad Madhavendra Puri ki, Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances to all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like the trees or ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Ananta koti Vaishnava vrindaki Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki